This is a beautiful teaching and demonstrator device, a model made in Germany in the 1960s, because most manufacturers back then changed to engines which had overhead camshafts and timing belts. So they made models to show what that new invention in brackets is all about, and made models functioning like this one here, where everything works like a real car engine. The see-through acrylic shows you exactly how the pistons go up and down, how the intake exhaust valves open and close correctly, the firing sequence on the spark plugs 1, 3, 4, 2 is right on there. From there you go into a pressure plate clutch and the gearbox where everything is functioning. That means 3 forward, 1 reverse. It's in 3rd gear at the very moment. All there functioning. And from there on with the drive shaft you go to your differential, which has planetary and spider gears and actual slippage if I stop the one side here. So this is a beautiful model which has all the features like a car model would have, including brakes, a starter motor on the other side which can be kicked in and shown how it would start a motor going into the flywheel right there. And last not least, the gearbox here, where I can shift gears like right now and go in 2nd gear, reverse and 1st. All there, all functioning. What a beauty.